Write me a letter on a napkin, slip it under my drink while I keep my eyes occupied, trying to find this nerve of mine. Forgive me, it's been a while since your kind has made me smile. Locked in this cell of myself, but you just snuck me a file. Now it's just you and me, a catastrophe, so that makes three. Don't mind the company, cause without it I wouldn't be me. And I can't stand to sit here and not try and make you mine. Watch every fraction of every action, waiting for a sign. Your hand just touched my leg. Was it what you meant? Was it an accident? Come on, as strong as you like. I've been waiting most of my life, but I'm already in pieces. Sweep me up, take me away. Your eyes are a holiday, both a great escape and a reason to stay. Now it's just you and me, a catastrophe, so that makes three. Don't mind the company, cause without it I wouldn't be me. And I can't stand to sit here and not try and make you mine. Watch every fraction of every action, waiting for a sign. I told myself I'd never write another love song. I told myself those days are dead and done and long gone. I told myself I'd never write another love song. I told myself, but I never listened. But I can't stand to sit here and not try and make you mine. Watch every fraction of every action, waiting for a sign. And I can't stand to sit here and not try and make you mine. Watch every fraction of